Hello, dear Year 5 and Year 6 students, British system. In this tutorial, we're going to study the adjectives, one of our awesome grammar lessons. Let's see what do we mean by adjectives, and when and how to use adjectives.
Subscribe in the channel, like and share the video. Never forget to write any comment.
Adjectives means describing words. Adjectives are describing words. An adjective describes or tell us more about a noun. So the adjective describes a noun. And adjectives tell us more about a noun. For example, this could be a person, an object, a place, or an animal. An adjective can describe how something looks, feels, tastes, smells, or sounds. Adjectives can tell us about how a living thing might be feeling and can describe its qualities. For example, someone might be tired, happy, fun, chatty, and lonely. In these red words, tired, we described a person, how he feels, happy, how he feels, fun, how he feels. So we described a person, and a person is a noun. As we mentioned, the adjective is used to describe a noun. Look at this example. Below the sea, you spot a shark. Let's use adjectives to describe it. So here, we want to describe the shark under the sea using some adjectives. Let's start with the noun shark. So let's think of some adjectives to describe how the shark looks. Let's see this example. The shark is huge, gray, and smooth. Where are the words that we use to describe the shark here? We agreed the shark is the noun. So what are the words that are used to describe the shark? Yes, great. The word huge and the word gray. So we said the shark is huge. Huge describes the size of the shark. Gray. The shark is gray. So gray describes the color of the shark. And smooth describes the textile of the shark. So what adjectives have I used here? Huge, gray, and smooth. The three adjectives are used to describe the shark, which is the noun in this case. Great. Can you think of some adjectives to describe the shark's personality or how it might be feeling? Yeah, so what we want to do now is to describe the shark's personality, the personality of the shark, or how the shark might be feeling. You can choose from the examples below if you get stuck. Let's see this example. The shark is what? What about his personality? What about he might be feeling? And what else? So you can say the shark is what? Strong or angry, friendly, tired, fierce, gentle, scary, hungry. Choose one of these adjectives to place here in these gaps. So you can say the shark is friendly. Yeah, this is its personality. The shark is friendly, gentle, and scary. Three words that describe the personality of the shark. You can say the shark is strong, the shark is tired, the shark is hungry. use any of these adjectives to describe the shark.
Subscribe in the channel, like and share the video. Never forget to write any comment.
Let's practice identifying adjectives in a sentence. The seaweed is soft, green, and wavy. Where are the three adjectives here? Soft describe the seaweed, green describes the seaweed, and wavy describes the seaweed. These are three adjectives used in this sentence. Don't forget to add commas between your adjectives if you are using more than one. So between soft and green, use a comma to separate the adjectives. They describe the seaweed, and by adding the adjectives to describe a noun, which is the seaweed in this case, you give the reader a much clearer picture of the noun that you are writing about. Have a look at these sentences. Can you spot the adjectives in each one? An enormous, gentle whale swims past. Number 2. The tiny, colorful fish race along the seabed. The shy, dainty seahorse always hides. Spot the adjectives here. Yes, I heard you. In example number 1, enormous and gentle are the adjectives. What are the noun they are describing? Yes, the whale. Enormous whale, gentle whale. In the second sentence, tiny and colorful. Yes, these are the adjectives. What are they describing? Tiny fish. So fish is the noun that is being described. Colorful fish. So tiny and colorful are the adjectives. In the third example, shy and dainty seahorse. Seahorse is the noun that's being described. Shy seahorse and dainty seahorse. Great. Have a go. Now you should have a go at writing some sentences with an adjective. Choose a picture from the ones below and write a sentence to describe each picture. What sentence did you write? The jellyfish is pale and small. About the first picture, the jellyfish. The jellyfish is the noun. The adjectives that I use to describe the jellyfish are pale and small. Great. Number 2, about the dolphin. The dolphin is happy. The dolphin is the noun. Happy is the adjective. The old shipwreck is haunted. Where is the noun, the shipwreck? Where is the adjective, the word old, described the shipwreck? Also, haunted can be described here as an adjective, and it's describing the shipwreck. Finally, there is a bright coral reef nearby. Where is the word that describes the coral reef? The word bright. Yes, you are brilliant. Wait us for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe in the channel, like the video, and write your comment. Don't forget to share the video with your colleagues. Meet you next time, and goodbye.